Voldam introducing world's first super slim energy saving false ceiling fan. 100% pure copper winding for long life. Original Japanese ball bearing motor. Built-in electrical circuit designed and tested by highly qualified engineers. Ultra compact design. Thin, only 70 millimeters. Easy to install and easy to use. Bedroom. Kitchen. Living room. Hall. Office. The perfect ceiling fan for your ceiling decoration. An invention beyond the imagination. The perfect air distribution. Incredible air delivery. The brand Voldam is being recommended by principal architects, interior designers, consultants and electrical engineers worldwide. Voldam. Voldam.com.pk